Welcome back to Home Center Secrets. Today we're at the GooDay Home Center in Meinohama, Fukuoka.
Joining me today are two visitors from overseas, Katharina and Kasper. And today we're going to check out what's cool about shopping at a home center in Japan.
Oh yeah!
Hey everyone, Kasper, I'm a carpenter from the UK. Here at GooDay to find some Japanese tools and maybe some gifts for some friends.
Hi everyone, I'm Katharina from Germany and I'm an artist and going into the GooDay now to find out if they got some nice materials for my arts and some nice presents for my friends back in Germany.
So this is a Japanese Ryoba saw. They are only found online really in the UK and they're about 4 times the price, so this is something I'd buy for myself here.
This is a very practical tool made in Japan and you can get little weeds out of narrow places.
So this here is a good gift for all my cat-loving friends. It's a Japanese hamachi fish, which is used in sushi here, but it's obviously filled with catnip for the cats to play with.
I'm really happy I found these colors. They are milk-based and they're really great for artists because they are working with water, but you could also use them on different materials. And I'm going to take home this nice medium set so I can mix my own colors with pigments.
So this is a new kind of plier, only available in Japan, and it's designed to remove screws that have either spun out or rusted.
This bag is so good for organizing because you can wear it in many different styles and it's absolutely practical.
So this is a Soto Japanese-made regulator stove, and it's designed to reach a high temperature faster than normal stoves, and it's nice and compact and make a great gift for my dad.
Remember, tax-free shopping is available to non-resident visitors staying less than 6 months and with a stamp in their passport. A minimum spend of 5,000 yen at one store is required, and the tax will be omitted from the total after showing your passport. Then the goods will be sealed in a bag that must be taken outside of Japan.
Everything's done.
So guys, what was your final take on shopping at GooDay Home Center?
Really enjoyed it. Found some really good deals, some bargains, and some interesting Japanese tools that I couldn't get back home.
So for me it was very interesting to find Japanese products which I could take home with me to Germany to surprise my people.
And that's why shopping at a home center in Japan is a must-do. You get to see all the latest trends and products, including many unique to Japan and made in Japan items. And you get to save some big bucks with tax-free shopping.